So I've had a problem with my door on our she shed, as my wife calls it, or a bunkhouse. And I'm going to show you what the problem is, and then I'm going to go ahead and fix it and show you how I do that. So this is the problem with the door. Because this bunkhouse was built in 1947, the door I put on is just got a straight bottom, and the floor is a little bit warped and uneven. So we're going to sand the bottom of this door off and solve this problem. So I'm going to start by just removing the hinge from the wall. I think it's easier than taking the hinge off the door. I'm going to use my screw gun and just remove the screws, and we'll take the door completely off. So what I'm going to do is use the straight edge to make a line as a reference line for sanding. And I know on the door side furthest from the hinge I need to remove the most material and the least material on the hinge side. So I'm just going to put this straight edge almost flush on the hinge side and about 1/8 of an inch on the far side. Just going to draw a straight line here, and that'll be our reference line for sanding. So now, using this orbital palm sander, I'm going to take away the material along the bottom of the door line, using this reference line as a guide, and then we'll try putting the door back in, and hopefully we'll resolve my issues with this sticking door. All right, we're going to see if this does the trick. All right, we're going to attach the screws to the hinge again, and we'll see what we get. All right, let's see if we eliminated the stick. Yeah, it's moving freely now. All I need to do is touch up a little bit of the paint on the floor here, and this project will be done. Well, that's all there was to it to fixing this problem. Just a little bit of a sander after taking the door off, sanding it down, and then reattaching the hinges to the wall. Anyways, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little notification bell so you get notified on my next video.